If you're worried about Alzheimer's, then you can do these 4 strategies that will have a huge impact and help you prevent Alzheimer's. Number 1 is to keep your blood sugar nice and steady. Blood sugar spikes and dips have been shown to damage our blood vessels. And if we have micro damage to the blood vessels all the time, it has been shown to increase the production of amyloid plaques, to cause damage to our brain cells, and that can contribute to Alzheimer's. So much so that Alzheimer's has been coined type 3 diabetes in some of the scientific papers in the research community. So keeping the blood sugar steady. Number 2 is to lower inflammation, making sure there's not any kind of chronic lingering inflammation in the body. Much like blood sugar spikes and dips, inflammation also causes micro damage to our blood vessels, including in our brain. That causes micro damage, and if that continues and evolves down the line over years, over decades, it contributes to the production and evolution of Alzheimer's. Number 3 is heavy metals. Now, heavy metals, again, similar to blood sugar spikes and dips and inflammation, damage our cells. And they found a correlation between aluminum in particular in our brain health and Alzheimer's. So check your environment, check your tap water. You're not drinking tap water, but you filter it so that you don't have too much lead. You make sure you don't have any amalgam fillings left with mercury. You're not even eating too much tuna for the mercury. So those kinds of things. And then number 4, which is a super simple strategy, but probably one of the most powerful ones, is to get enough sleep. Now, sleep, and people are kind of more familiar with the importance of it nowadays, but when we sleep, and in particular if we are in the deep phases of sleep, our brain shrinks a little bit and it can flush out toxins and it can heal and regenerate. And it's only during that deep part of sleep that it's called glymphatic system that flushes out any toxin from the brain, those amyloid plaques that if they accumulate too much can contribute to Alzheimer's. So sleeping enough and having good quality deep sleep is crucial for our brain health, and it might be one of the most powerful and most simple strategies to really help our brain health and overall health, obviously.